In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform routine cleaning of the printer. Before beginning, turn power off and remove all media. Clean the media sensors using compressed air. Use a cotton swab moistened with alcohol to clean the cartridge sensor. Use a cotton swab moistened with alcohol to clean off any adhesive buildup on the media guides, roll holders, and other areas. Clean the roll holders and frame using a lint-free wipe and isopropyl alcohol. Wipe the areas thoroughly to remove all paper dust and accumulated adhesive. For printers with a dispenser option, open the door. Clean the peel bar. Clean the peel roller. Clean the liner path. Clean the ribs and sensor. The outside of the printer may be cleaned using solutions common to the healthcare industry, including isopropyl alcohol and water.